Over 4.5 billion years ago, in the darkness of an infant solar system, a small blue planet began its tumultuous journey through time. Our Earth, a world of chaos, was a young and hostile place. Its surface, a molten ocean, teeming with volcanic fury. But in this primordial furnace, the seed of life were about to be sown. For eons, Earth was bombarded with comets, asteroids, cosmic dust, each collision adding to the volatile landscape. Yet from this cosmic chaos, a strange and miraculous thing was happening. Amid the volcanic eruptions and relentless storms, the very building blocks of life began to form. In the deep, shadowy waters beneath the surface, there existed places of refuge, hydrothermal vents. Here, minerals from the earth crust mingle with hot, mineral rich waters, creating a chemical soup. It was within these vents, so far from the sun, that life may have found its spark. Through the passage of time, simple molecules, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, begin to join together, forming ever more complex structures. These molecules, like the thread of vast cosmic tapestry, bonded to create the very first organic compounds. And from these simple beginnings, something remarkable happened. The first self replicating molecules emerged. In the electronic storms raged across the planet, energy from the lightning strike provided the spark that set these molecules into motion, allowing them to replicate, evolve, and pass on their characteristics, marking the birth of life as we know it. These primitive life forms, tiny, simple, were the pioneers. They were the first to harness the power of the sun, to transform the chemicals around them into the energy that they needed to survive. And from these humble beginnings, an extraordinary journey began. A journey that would eventually give rise to the dazzling diversity of life we see today. For billions of years, life evolved, slowly adapting to its ever changing environment. From the tiniest microbe to the towering giants that roamed the land, life found a way to flourish and diversify. And so, in the vast expanse of time and space, life on Earth came to be. A story of chance, complexity, and survival woven in the very fabric of the planet itself. We too are a part of this ancient, remarkable journey, linked by our origin to the very hearts of the cosmos. From ashes of the burning world, life found a way, and still thrives today in all incredible forms, reminding us that life against all odds can emerge in the most unlikely of places.